How to use Instagram Map for business and local marketing. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed into your account. Then tap the message icon in the top right corner of the screen or from the middle of the bottom navigation bar to open your inbox. At the top of the inbox screen, you will see a map option. Tap Map to open it. If Instagram asks for location permission, allow it so the map can display posts and stories shared near your business location. Once the map opens, you will see markers representing posts and stories shared by users nearby. By tagging your business location in your posts and stories, your content will appear on the map, making it visible to local users exploring nearby areas. Businesses can use this feature to promote product, highlight event, and increase local visibility. Customers exploring the map can discover your restaurant, store, cafe, or services through tagged posts, helping you attract more foot traffic and engagement. Remember to regularly post high quality content with accurate location tags and encourage customers to tag your location to maximize visibility. You can also monitor competitor locations and local trends to improve your marketing strategy. Now you know how to use Instagram Map for business and local marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.